How to transfer TRX from Binance to Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can transfer TRX from Binance to Trust Wallet. So in order to do this procedure, you have to simply follow the steps. First of all, let's go ahead and copy the wallet address from Trust Wallet application. When you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, what next you need to do is you need to go ahead and locate TRX on the search box. Then you need to go ahead and select that, click on receive and copy the wallet address by tapping on the copy button. Next, exit out of your Trust Wallet, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Right on this page, click on with wallet and go to spot. Now click on withdraw, or you could also press on transfer. So when you actually press on the transfer button, then what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and select the wallet. So you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer. So type in TRX that you want to transfer and paste in the wallet address of your application and paste in the wallet address. When you actually do that, then you'll be able to see that you've successfully transferred TRX from Binance to Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.